So now let's see the audio formatting options available in Google Slides. So once you insert audio into your Google Slide, you get this little icon in the format of an image, which if you click, opens up this player just like this. You can resize this out right here. So you can go ahead and resize this over here according to the size of your liking as well. You can rotate this as if you're rotating an image. So now if you were to go on to the format option right here, over here you can see that you have the audio playback options. So right now it's set to on click. So if I were to click on present and click on this, then it plays up. If I were to click on automatic, then what happens is that as soon as I hit the present button, it'll start playing this. So I don't need to click this out. Here there are some options. So I can hide the icon while presenting as well. So let's just see how that actually looks like. This is a test audio that is going to be. So you can see that there's no audio icon whatsoever, but the audio keeps on playing. So if you want to add in a background music or something, then you can leave this on. You can also loop the audio, so whenever it reaches the end, it keeps on playing back, which is very good for looping music. And you can also stop on slide change. If you want to keep the audio playing out throughout the other slides as well, then you can uncheck this, or if you check this on, what happens is that the audio will not stop unless it reaches the end, even if you change the slide. Here are some other options as well. So here are some size and rotation options. This is the same as if you were to work with images right here. So you got the position options right here. You can even recolor this. So you can go around and change the color of the icon. As you can see, you can make adjustment like adjust the brightness, transparency, and so forth. And then you can work around with the drop shadow as well, as you can see. So you can go around and increase out the distance. And then you can go around and add in reflection as well to give it some style. So you can go around, change the distance and so forth. And that is how it looks, as you can see right there. So that is how you can work around with the audio format options inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.